The food was great. I hope you have enjoyed the food, Yukalisi Don.
The food was great and a dynamite, and it must have cost you too much.
You are the nicest Kali ever, and you have raised me up after my late father. Please resume your explanation. Please talk to me about investing and financing activities.
Okay, cash flows from investing activities represent the extent to which expenditures have been made for resources intended to generate future income and cash flows.
Examples will be very useful for cash outflows and inflows from investing activities.
Example of cash outflows from investing activities are 1. Cash payments to acquire property, plant, and equipment, intangible assets, and other long-lived assets. 2. Cash payments to acquire debt and equity instruments of other entities for investing purposes. 3. Cash advances and loans made to other parties. Examples of cash inflows from investing activities are 1. Cash receipts from sale of property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, and other long-lived assets. 2. Cash receipts from sale and maturity of debt and equity instruments of other entities for investing purposes. And 3. Cash receipts from repayment of advances and loans made to other parties.
After you elaborate on investing activities, could you please explain what financing activities are?
Cash flows from financing activities generally involve the cash effects of transactions and other events that relate to the issuance, settlement, or reacquisition of entities' debt and equity instruments. Example of cash inflows from financing activities are 1. Cash proceeds from issuing shares and other equity instruments, obtaining resources from owners, and 2. Cash proceeds from issuing loans, borrow money from banks, notes, bonds and other short-term or long-term borrowings.
Please give me examples of cash outflows from financing activities.
Examples of these are 1. Cash repayments for amounts borrowed. 2. Payment of cash dividends. 3. Cash payments to acquire or redeem the entity's own shares. And 4. Cash payments by a lessee for a reduction of outstanding liabilities of a finance lease.
Thank you, Yukali. These were really useful sessions.